Welcome to our video, where I will show you how to have healthy hair naturally. Let's get into it, shall we? So many women dream of long, shiny and soft hair, but growing it long can take too much time to grow for most people. The following video will show you how to speed up the process using simple ingredients found right in your home. Using rosemary, which is astringent so it helps with oily hair while improving circulation to the hair follicles to strengthen and lengthen your hair. Cinnamon, which is amazing at bringing shine to dull and brittle hair because it is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that strengthen the hair and stimulate growth. And cloves, which are highly astringent, so they give your hair a deep cleanse, stimulating length and volume. For best results, only use this homemade shampoo 3 times per week at most, as not to overload your scalp with vitamins. To make this miracle hair growth shampoo, simply mix the following ingredients until smooth. 100 ml of salt-free shampoo, 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves, 1 tablespoon of cloves, 3 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. Let the mixture sit for 1 week before use. Use this shampoo for up to 12 weeks, then rest for 1 month before starting the treatment again. Let us know in the comments below whether you're going to try this recipe. We would love to hear how it works for you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.